Happy New Year! Impluwensyahan ko din sila ng kultura nating mga Pilipino. Good morning po. Say good morning. Hi. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year!
I've ordered decoration, guys, for the New Year, and we are waiting for the delivery today, and hopefully it will be delivered. So me and Shruti can decorate for today. For today, and we can welcome the New Year also. So we're planning to do the decoration here downstairs, and I already asked permission to mommy, and she allowed it. So I'm gonna make also the lucky prosperity bowl, which is I make it last year also. Every year actually I'm making it, even I'm here in India. So she allowed me as well to do it because there is an egg, guys, no? There is egg, so it's very good to ask permission because she's a little bit sensitive about it. So she said it's okay, so we can display over here downstairs so everyone can see it, and they can also see what culture we have in Philippines. Here in village, guys, this is actually doodh or milk, and mommy is putting this here to make it lassi or buttermilk. So I bought this online, guys. This is an extension because we don't have extension here in our room, so I bought it in online. And this is the fridge cover and one of the decoration here. So yan, guys, diyan ko na lang siya nilagay kasi umuulan sa labas, baka mabasa. So ito, guys, yung binili kong cover para sa refrigerator. May kasama siyang ito, ganyan. Mura lang yan sa Misho. We bought this one in online. All the balloons with the Happy New Year. Namin Christmas tree, guys. Ayan na, nailagay ko na. Ngayon lalagay natin yung mga decoration. Lucky prosperity bowl. So I have the rice already and the egg over here. We have the orange. And I'm gonna put it in the middle. guys, and she came here, and also I explained to her why we are doing this in Philippines. Not only in Philippines, but I don't know if the other country also is doing. But I said that this is the lucky prosperity bowl. So whenever you do like this, so the money is coming, and she's laughing to me, but she's like very interested of what I'm doing.
एक दो
Papa gift. Yes, diaper.
New Year gift. Dishon. हाँ बेटा your birthday gift diaper. Yeah, it's good. जुकाम ठंड ताप तो बेटा लेमन फ्लेवर है your favorite lemon.
It's like candy only. Papa, Happy New Year! Birthday! Happy birthday! Wait! 1, 2, 3! Wow! 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 Yan naman, nagkasa. Dave.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, beta! Happy New Year! Happy New Year na naman.
Happy New Year pa. Basta naman na.
Happy New Year, beta! Happy New Year! Happy birthday! Oh, sorry, happy birthday.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone! Bye, guys! Happy New Year! Bye! Bye, pa! Happy New Year! Bye! Bye, Mami! Good night! So, guys, we just finished the celebration of New Year here in our village in India. So, finally, na-impluwensyahan ko din sila ng, ng kultura nating mga Pilipino. Akala ko hindi ako makapag-celebrate ng New Year dito tsaka Christmas, guys. But they are very open. So, sobrang open nila na mag-accept ng kultura natin at mag-celebrate. So, sobrang saya ko. I'm very happy. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you!